Well, we got a ruling from the Supreme Court today that basically said, yeah, Trump is immune from official acts. The way in which I'm reading what the Supreme Court did is look at it in three buckets. They basically said that if he does anything personal while in office, that is not immune. And Chief Justice John Roberts cites like the hush money trial, like how he was signing them checks. That's clearly a personal thing. So if there's some criminality around that, sure, prosecution, run amok. Then they cite like official acts to the presidency or something that is deemed necessary for a president to do that's kind of like explicitly laid out in the Constitution. Okay, like ordering stuff from the military, which kind of gets a little fugazi because what if he orders the military to do something illegal? But they're saying basically if it's something that's in line with his job, it's immune. Then there's this other bucket, which that may be part of the last bucket that I just said, that kind of gives like this fugazi situation. Like there's a, like let's say him appointing ambassadors, right? The president gets to appoint ambassadors if they want to. But let's say he's taking a bribe he's taking a bribe to appoint that person. But because it's in line with his official duty of president, it can be prosecuted, which basically just created a lawlessness presidency. Because what stops him or any other president from just basically saying, okay, this is official, or trying to wrap their criminality or illegality in something that the president should be doing officially? At this point, we need to go ahead and pack the court. I think two things need to happen. One, there needs to be an age restriction, or let me rephrase that, not necessarily an age restriction, but a term limit. There needs to be a term limit because y'all know the Supreme Court and federal judges, they're lifetime appointments unless, they step down or, some of them pass away. But I think there needs to be a 20 to 25 year limit. And also, I think that this supermajority that the Republicans have, we need to go ahead and pack that. We need some more justices. We've done it before in history where we have decided through the Congress how many Supreme Court justices will sit on a bench or sit at the bench at any point in time. So it's not like it's new. It's just something that hadn't been done in my lifetime, my parents' lifetime, where we have changed the number of justices that can be on the court at any time, which is completely opposite of what this country is supposed to be. I think we've fought our way out of kingdomship. Remember? Do you remember? So that's what I think we need to do, because the decisions that are coming down are just, to me, they're asinine. And not to even mention the Chevron case that came out last week. I'll do another video for that explaining why everything is turned on its head when it comes to government agencies and their regulations.